Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys today? I'm doing good, and we're going to pre-plan June 8th through the 14th. I do have a video that you guys probably just saw for last week. It was just a quick one because I lost my footage, but I'm not going to show you that just in case I post this one first, which I don't think I will, but I have so many videos to edit. Alright, I ripped up my mismatched date dots because they didn't match with the leftovers that I picked, and I have picked leftovers from Scribble Prints Co. And these were sent to me through a giveaway of a leftovers stash, so I'm gonna use them. I'm using up my stash. It's really nice. I kind of want to get another planner just to keep using up my stash, but I'm gonna chill for right now. We're halfway through the year almost. Just need to breathe. So, this kit had a lot left in it. I believe it was an ultimate because there's the full boxes. So, this was a donut theme kit, lattes and coffee, and I just felt like it was bright and really great for this coming week before Father's Day. So this is the first page, which has all the deco left, a ton of icons, date numbers I'm going to be using to go over the ones that I wrote, some of her old time dots. This page has washi and headers. This has the full bottom washi. This has fancy labels, solid washi, and little things. This is the functional page, what's left of the boxes, and then the full ombre checklist. So, first up, I'm going to put my decorative stuff down, and we'll see where we go from there. Let's see. First up, I know you know what? I'm going to go ahead and cut this washi in half, the long one, so I can put it on both sides today. We're going to try that. Do I want to do that? I don't think I have any, like, whatchamacallit. I don't think I have donut washi. I don't think I ever bought donut washi. Of all the washi that I have, I don't think I have donut washi. I have some, like, Hello washi and stuff that I could pull in, but how thick is this? It's gonna be me being where's the cut line? Where's the cut line? There's the cut line. So that's an inch. So it's an inch and a quarter. So that means I would need to cut it in a measurement that's not on here. Great. Okay, well that's not gonna work. Because I don't have another ruler. So I guess we're just gonna eyeball it. That look like about half? Meh, good enough. Alright, I'm just going to take my X-Acto. Oh, do I have my ruler upside down? Really? No, I don't. This is silly. I don't feel this blade grabbing like it normally does. Well, I'm gonna hope that's cut because it didn't make the sound that it normally cut, like when it cuts. Oh no, it cut, and I am not even by any means, but pretty close. Pretty close. Okay. So first up, we're going to start up here. I'll wipe this out with my oops correction tape and the month thing over here. And I'll put the top portion. There. See, already cute. Alright, so next up, just to keep my brain sane, we're going to take my Scribble Prints Co tweezers and I'm going to grab my date dots, which I was fortunate enough to have the right numbers in here. Ugh, that's going to bother me. Sticker paper didn't come up all the way. Let's see, what can I use? How many? I have these 4 and only 2 of the patterns in that. Meh. Could do the next side. Oh, they're not cut the same. They're different thicknesses. Okay. I can just put a donut behind each one. Yeah, why don't we do that? Just put a donut behind each date. Like off to the side, or but there's the 8th. Come here. The 9th. Use this bitten one for 10th. It's a little big. I'm not going to line them all up in the middle either, just so that they are a little different. I'm going to use this yellow one for Thursday. And then, which one for Friday? I guess we'll use this big old blue one. Friday is the 12th. And TPC starts this week. Yay! Who's ready to spend some money? Because these shops have been killing it this round. Now for the weekend, what do I want to do? I guess I'll use the sprinkles. Yeah, I'll just use little sprinkles for the weekend. Just so that they don't take up so much room. There we go. That's cute. Now it's a happy accident that looks really cute. Okay. So now let's go over to my sidebar page. And I do use a Sharpie ultra fine point marker for the Scribble Prints Co paper, and then a Pilot G2.38 for planner paper. I'm going to need those, and where'd the headers go? I'm going to need this one and this one for right away. Okay. So let's see, we have a dinner's header, which I need. I need a to clean. I need a to do. Oh, I'll do to do in the hot pink. And then a YouTube in blue, so I have a lot of YouTube stuff to do this week. Okay. Now, do I want to match them up? Well, I'm not going to be matching the dinner's one because I'm going to be using the little things for that. So, I think I'm not going to match them. So to do, we'll go up here. And we'll do a purple. And then we'll do YouTube here. With the yellow. Okay. You know what? I think I'm just going to stick over here and do to clean with the hot pink. Oh, that's cute. Okay. And then dinners. I'm gonna need to flip this. Sorry guys. Just because I want it to line up with the edge right there. Oh, and now it's crooked. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is put these down as my meal trackers. Alright, yep, I like that colorway. So then I'm just going to stack these little things like so. And then we get all the colors. This is something you can do instead of using a weekly box in your sidebar. Because I mean, we all know which order the days of the week come in, right? At least I hope we do. And I like how this gives all the colors. Sweet. See, isn't that really cool? It's really, really neat. Okay, so first up I am going to do a little vignette of deco stickers, I guess you'd say. Oh my goodness. If you guys can hear Cora throwing a fit, I am very, very sorry, but she is in there throwing a fit because my kids refuse to let her out to watch them play video games. She wants to go where they are because just like any toddler, I want to be where my older siblings are. Alright. I like it. I really like that a lot. Okay, and I think that's it for this page, unless I want to cut this one down and cap it. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. Where is my roller thing again? Let's see if I can get this about, well, Can I fold it and get a line? And then cut it? Ugh. I don't know if this will work, but maybe it will. Kind of, yes, I can see where my fold is. That sounded much better. See, that one I could hear cut. You guys probably could too. Okay. All I'm going to do is butt that up and then cut it right down here. And then I have more of the washi. More was the word I was looking for. Alright, I really like that. Now, on to the week. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's see. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Those flags are too small. I'm going to use this giant coffee cup, I think. I'm just going to write Hello Monday in this part. And I have that there. I put that down just as a guide. Okay. So, my battery's gonna die. Yay! Let's finish this up as soon as possible. Other than that, all I have left is payday. So I'm gonna use the money icon and the purple fancy label. Let's fit in here. Oh my goodness. And just like that, use my marker and get it going because it's been in my bag. Payday! Alrighty guys, I don't have any other plans this week, so this is my pre-planned setup. These stickers will go with me on the daily basis, and I will fill it in, and you guys can see it on Instagram midweek and the end of the week. And I'll show you next week. I would show you this one, but I don't want to ruin the other video, but you probably already saw it. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.